Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best 10 and hose is probably one of the most critical components for high-performance automotive and motorsport applications, ensuring reliable fluid transfer under immense pressure and demanding conditions. This comprehensive review will help you choose the perfect 10 and hose for your specific needs, considering factors like material, construction, and intended use, ultimately leading you to a product that guarantees optimal performance and longevity. Number 5. EVIL Energy 10 and Fuel Line Kit. This kit is perfect for high-performance applications. It's built to withstand extreme pressure and temperature changes. It features a CPE rubber inner layer, 304 stainless steel wire, and a durable nylon outer braid. This ensures superior strength and flexibility. With a working pressure of 625 psi and a burst pressure of 1875 psi, it can handle even the most demanding conditions. It's also resistant to extreme temperatures. It's compatible with various fluids, including fuel, oil, transmission fluid, and race gas. It's a truly versatile solution for your fuel system needs. The 10 and fuel hose has an inner diameter of 0.53 inches, 13.5 millimeters, and an outer diameter of 0.79 inches, 20 millimeters. It comes in a convenient 10-foot length. This kit is designed for easy installation, saving you time and effort. Upgrade your fuel system with confidence. What we like. It's a great option if you need a standard length fuel line. If you're looking for reliable performance at a reasonable price, this is a solid choice. If you appreciate a balance of durability and affordability, this is the one for you. What people say. Using this as a transmission cooler line from the radiator down to the trans cooler, assembly was easy, installation was easy, sealed right the first time and have no issues in the month it's been on there. I had some fuel pressure spikes and need a larger fuel return line. Went from stock 1.4 line to this 6 and hose. Carb is happy with a steady 6 psi now. Easy install and no issues. I ordered the -10 and kit with 10 foot of hose and 6 hose ends. I used it for the oil return for the turbo on a John Deere 4010 pulling tractor my dad and I are reviving. Easy to work with, packaged very well. Best part is I have enough hose and fittings left over to do a couple more tractors that will be needing the same treatment soon. Number 4. EVIL Energy 10 and Fuel Line Kit. This comprehensive kit is perfect for various applications, from fuel lines to transmission coolers. It's built to withstand high pressure and extreme temperatures. It features a CPE rubber inner layer, 304 steel wire reinforcement, and a durable nylon braid for superior strength and flexibility. The fittings are made of lightweight yet robust aluminum alloy. With a maximum working pressure of 625 psi and a bursting pressure of 1875 psi, it can handle even the most demanding conditions. It also operates reliably in temperatures ranging from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 257 degrees Fahrenheit. This kit is ideal for fuel supply and return lines, transmission oil coolers, and more. It's compatible with a wide range of fluids, including fuel, oil, and transmission fluid. The kit includes 10 and swivel hose ends in various angles, 2 hose separator clamps, and 20 feet of braided fuel line. Everything you need for a professional installation is right here. The hose has an inner diameter of 0.53 inches and an outer diameter of 0.79 inches. This ensures a secure and leak-free connection. What we like. This is perfect if you need extra reach for your project. If you are looking for a complete kit to save time and hassle, this is it. If you value convenience and a comprehensive solution, this is the best option for you. What people say. The included fittings of nice quality. The kit has a complete variety of fittings and is an excellent value. Installation of the fittings went smoothly only after realizing they had reverse threading. Then it went on super easily and holds really well. Then hose is of good quality and definitely recommended. I always buy the PTFE, as they seem more robust, and will work with most all types of fluids. Number 3. EVIL Energy 10 and Fuel Line. This high-performance fuel line is built to last. It's perfect for demanding applications and can handle extreme pressure. It can withstand high pressure, ensuring reliable performance even in the toughest conditions. Its burst pressure is an impressive 1875 psi. It features a CPE rubber inner layer, reinforced with 304 steel wire and a tough nylon braid for superior strength and flexibility. It's compatible with a wide range of fluids, including fuel, oil, transmission fluid, and more. It's versatile enough for many uses. Use it for fuel supply and return lines, transmission coolers, and various other automotive applications. It's a truly multi-purpose hose. It comes with easy-to-follow installation instructions. Remember to use it with 10 and swivel hose ends for a secure fit. With a length of 10 feet, inner diameter of 0.53 inches, and outer diameter of 0.79 inches, it's the perfect size for many applications. It operates within a temperature range of -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 257 degrees Fahrenheit. What we like. It's a good choice if you need a reliable 10-foot fuel line. If you are looking for a simple and straightforward solution, this is a great pick. If you value ease of use and a hassle-free installation, this is the one for you. What people say. Exactly what I needed in the restoration of my current antique car project. Easy to cut and assemble the fittings. I used it to run new fuel line on a C10 restoration. Great buy overall. It's a woven nylon material with metal braided in for strength over a rubber hose that is very well put together. On a final note, it was easy to put it all together, and for cutting I just used a pair of PX cutters and it worked perfect. Number 2. 10 and hose fuel line. It's constructed from high-quality nylon and 304 stainless steel braided with CPE synthetic rubber. This combination enhances flexibility and gives it a cool racing look. This hose kit can withstand temperatures from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 248 degrees Fahrenheit and pressures up to 2000 psi. It offers excellent corrosion resistance and is ideal for various applications. Unlike rigid steel or plastic lines, it bends easily for simple installation and smoother fluid transmission. Its superior bending ability makes installation a breeze. It's compatible with most fluids, including fuel, oil, coolant, and brake fluid. It's perfect for brake systems, fuel pumps, and more, but not E85. At 10 feet long, it can be easily cut to your exact specifications. This makes it adaptable to a wide range of projects and needs. Remember, the inner diameter is 14.22 mm, 0.56 inch, and the outer diameter is 20.06 mm, 0.79 inch. This ensures a proper fit for your system. What we like. This is the best option if you need superior pressure resistance. If you are looking for maximum flexibility during installation, this is a great choice. If you need a customizable length or a perfect fit, this is the one for you. What people say. High quality, just what I needed for transmission lines. Per suggestion of online forums, bought to replace rusted diesel fuel lines on my 07 GMC. I was really quite impressed with the steel lining, braided abrasion sock on the outside. Time will tell as to durability. Also, just an FYI, the outer diameter is perfect for stainless pen pinch clamps. I needed a durable hose, and it works great for what I am using it for. It is strong, I don't have to worry about it getting a hole in it. It is strong and flexible enough. Number 1. BLACKHORSE-RACING and 10 Fuel Hose Kit. This kit is a must-have for any serious racer. It's built to withstand extreme pressure and temperature, ensuring reliable performance under demanding conditions. It features a CPE synthetic inner hose, reinforced with high-quality nylon and stainless steel braiding. This combination provides exceptional durability and resistance to wear and tear. With a working pressure of 500 psi and a burst pressure of 2000 psi, it can handle even the most demanding racing applications. It's also designed to withstand temperatures from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to +350 degrees Fahrenheit. The included swivel fittings are made from premium T6061 alloy aluminum. Their removable heads allow for both push-on and twist-lock connections, offering flexibility and ease of installation. It's compatible with various fluids, including transmission fluid, coolant, oil, race gas, pump gas, vacuum, hydraulic fluid, diesel, and fuel. Please note it's not suitable for E85. The kit includes everything you need: 10 feet of braided hose and 6 high-quality swivel fittings in straight, 45-degree, and 90-degree configurations. What we like. It's a great option if you need a kit with pre-installed fittings. If you are looking for a high-quality fuel line with superior durability, this is the one. If you value quality and convenience, this is the best choice for you. What people say. Exactly what I ordered: nice and fittings and 10 foot of hose I plan on using for our race car. Okay, I'll give 5 stars based on the product received for the price. No, they're not Earl fittings or Air-Equip. But they do lock down good. And haven't failed using them as external oil cooler for a diesel. Used on external oil filter housing hoses. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.